the big
go.
story, Dream 11 has reportedly
Yeah.
backed out as
Yeah.
Team
Do
India's
you know
title
the-
sponsor.
Yeah.
Because betting apps have been banned, right?
Just 48 hours ago.
Yeah.
Huh? Betting apps which involve money.
Yeah.
So if you can prove that there's no money involved in the transactions that happen through the betting app, then you can. But they have a lovely, listen to what they did.
Yeah.
They have written in a clause in their contract, Dream 11 has, to the BCCI saying that if there's a law change that affects my business, I'm out of this game and I don't pay you a rupee. And they had that escape clause. And the law has changed. So they're not liable.
But does Dream 11 get to exist as an entity?
Now they have to revamp themselves and
Right,
all that
right,
shit has to
right.
happen. In the meantime, they don't have to pay for this stuff. Otherwise, they have to pay for the
Correct.
product
Yeah,
still.
yeah.
There's a hands off immediately.
Isn't there a
Some
tournament?
dreams don't come true.
But now then, what does Team
Now we
India?
have to see what happens. There are lots of gaming
all
apps.
the kits and everything have gone to waste.
No idea. They'll have to change everything. Yeah. They won't go to waste. Their neighbors will get it.
Yeah.
Like,
They'll sell it in black market for
Correct.
whatever. But the question is, what's
maybe.
the weirdest brand you think would actually make it work?
Back in,
If you had to step in as a last minute sponsor,
I would definitely use a
what's the-
condom brand, which I don't know about. But I think it's a huge social service message the cricketers will be carrying.
But the,
to have
the
less-
argument will be like, kids are watching this, you can't.
But
promote.
kids will soon be doing this, so we need to prepare the next generation.
But play cricket.
Bro, don't be this backward in your thinking and all that.
I'm not backward. I'm saying the conservative.
Imagine Shubman Gill, 99 batting. Then he turns around, mixes 100, and there is written Kama Sutra or whatever I don't know the brand names. Help me, please. You
Right.
yourself have had a bad market, but
What?
I mean, what are the brands today? Give me Nirodh.
I mean, none of
Still
them are
there?
sponsoring. निरोध करके कुछ नहीं होता है, मतलब
नहीं है?
ब्रांड नहीं होता है.
नहीं है?
उसको हिंदी में निरोध बोलते हैं.
Huh.
Protection.
But there was also a brand Nirodh, no?
Was it?
Yeah.
Okay, then maybe I'm wrong.
You're
Again,
wrong
please
with
correct.
everything. This whole show is just wrong.
Okay, I have never used the brand Nirodh,
So you have kids?
but I have a cat.
Wow. Bro, don't scare the people. And don't stalk the Malayali people, for God's sake. Leave them alone. Yeah.
No, there's Moods. Then there's
So why can't Moods be the sponsor? I think it'd be great.
Durex is
I think Durex is a little upmarket brand, so I'm
Yeah,
I'm
but
saying
that's what
let's
I'm
keep
saying.
it more Aam Aadmi and India friendly because the cricket
then-
team, very secular team, hits everybody, different classes and all that.
all right.
So I think Durex is. Now, what do you say, guys? Since you guys don't use condoms,
It's not. I mean, actually, yeah, Dream 11 was like a more common man.
It was.
brand. Yeah.
bro, I think gaming
Yeah,
is
true.
basically for everyone.
Yeah,
no?
true, yeah.
All said and done.
So you will go for a. Oh,
She got bored.
I'm saying Saris says should be a brand sponsor for Team India. Why not? Unfiltered opinions and like
Only if I'm allowed to select the team.
Oh, yeah, I'm cool with that. Yeah.